Okay, we got the Trailblazer back together. I'll give you a little update on what we were doing. Got the exhaust manifolds in and the rest of the new catalytic converter system in. The old stuff was a little bit crusty, and the flanges and unions, and especially this flex pipe, were toast. Fought with it for a while and just ended up sawzalling it apart. So got those in. Not sure if you're going to be able to see them, but just the stock AC Delco replacements. Also, while we were in there, I went ahead and replaced the factory lines and got some Vibrant Performance AN stuff. I installed a Hayden cooler and a Permacool trans filter kit. Just uses MPT fittings right into a filter manifold. Takes any sort of FL1A forward filter, or the short version, which is what I used. Hoping that that'll give me a little bit more life and longevity out of the 4L70 transmission on these that's known to be a little weak. So I ran the lines back and wrapped them in a DEI heat sleeve. And here is the new MagnaFlow replacement catalytic converters. A little difficult to install, had to end up dropping the trans cross member, but I'm happy with how they turned out. So next time we'll see you, we'll start it up.